If you're trying to follow someone on TikTok or you're trying to like a video but you're unable to do that, let's say you want to click on the follow button but you're seeing an error message that you can't follow that person, this is what you can simply do. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how to fix unable to follow anyone on TikTok. So let's dive right into the video. So the first step you need to take right here, if this is the problem you're having on your TikTok app like this, the first step you need to take is to check the network you're using. Sometimes it is just your network, so just simply switching your network into using Wi-Fi, or maybe switching your SIM card or turning off the data and turning it back can just simply fix this. But if that is not the case, you need to check as well if your account has been suspended for following too fast. So if you follow people too fast on TikTok, TikTok might actually give you a notification telling you that you are following people too fast and they are going to suspend your account for a while from following people. So if that is the case, you won't be able to do anything until after 24 hours. Then you can now continue following people back. But if that is not the case, this is what you can simply do next. You need to go to your phone settings, not your TikTok app. Go to your phone settings like this. This is my phone settings. Right here, you just need to scroll down a little bit and click on apps like this. And then go ahead and search for TikTok. So when you search for TikTok like this, go ahead and click on it like this. Scroll down a little bit and click on storage. Then at the bottom, you are going to see the option of clear cache and also clear data. Just simply go ahead and click on clear cache like this, and also click on clear data. Now mind you, if you click on clear data, it is actually going to restart the TikTok app, and you need to log into the app for you to be able to make use of the TikTok app. If this did not actually solve the problem, this is what you can simply do next. You need to make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok app by going to your Play Store or App Store like this and search for TikTok. So if you search for TikTok and yours says updates, go ahead and click on updates and get it updated. Doing this can just simply fix this issue. So this is how simple it is for you to be able to fix can't follow on TikTok. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now do it, hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel.